In this guide, learn how to add credits using Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. To add credits to this user, go to the Credit section highlighted in green. Enter the number of credits to add for this user as highlighted in blue. After entering the currency amount, the credit exchange rate will be displayed, and the Add button will become clickable. To complete the process, click on the Add button. To grant credits for free to the user based on currency, follow these steps. Click on the Free Toggle button, highlighted in green. After entering the currency amount, the credit exchange rate will be displayed, and the Add button will become clickable. To complete the process, click on the Add button. To authorize this action, insert your manager PIN code and the reason for this action. Then click on Submit button. Thanks for watching.